Hi.
Today's topic is inequalities. Let me give a introduction about inequalities. Equal, you know the equal symbol, right?
Yeah.
Equal means this is a equal to sign. Inequalities means which is not equal. So inequality signs are either it is a greater than or lesser than. Okay, less than. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the symbol of greater than, is greater than. Or it is less than
Yeah.
or smaller than. Okay, so we use inequality signs two. One is greater than and another is smaller than. Okay, so for example, in mathematical form, if I have written that Q is less than 15, that means Q values are, here Q values are less than 15 means you can start from 14. So 14, 13, 12, so less than, so on.
Yeah.
Okay, but it is not equal to 15. But Q is not equal to 15 here. Q is less than 15 means the numbers which are smaller than 15 are considered as a Q value.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. The inequality is true when Q stands for any number which is less than 15. Therefore, there is the range of numbers that Q can stand for. We can illustrate this range on a number line. Do you remember number line?
Yeah.
Yeah. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Suppose if I have taken a number line like this, where Q stands for? Q stands for less than 15. Less than 15 means where is the 15? This is the 15. So circle this. And less than 15 means the line this side. The line will be this side. Q
Yeah.
value lies this side, not this side. If it is Q is greater than 15 means the Q values lies this side after 15. But it is less than 15 means so before 15 the Q values lies like 14, like a 10, 5, everything. And since Q is equal to 15 is not included, so we will put it as an empty circle here. Okay,
Yeah.
15 is not included. That's why we show this as an empty circle. Okay, this the circle at the right hand end of the range is open here. The circle is open here because 15 is not included in the range. When you open and not filled this circle, this is nothing but 15 is not included. The Q value is up to 15 only. Okay, for example, in case x is less than or equal to 15 means all the values which are less than 15 and also equal to 15. When I have mentioned this is called as a less than or equal to sign. What is this called as? Less than or equal to.
Yeah.
Okay, so if Q value is less than or equal to 15, it is nothing but the 15 also included. So if the value 15 also included, then you need to fill this circle like this. And this Q value is open this side, left side. All less than numbers, smaller numbers. Okay, let's now do the exercise 12F. Exercise 12F. Page number 256 in your STP. Questions are here. In question 1 to 5, use inequalities to give each statement in mathematical form. We should read this question and we should use inequality symbols whichever is required, either less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to.
Yeah.
Let's read first question. The government of Moldova passed a law that the number n of children per family should be less than 3. So each and every family should have a less than 3 children only. That children are represented with the letter n. So what is the n value here? The first question. So the n value is less than 3. Number of children should be less than 3 in each family. So that can be represented as like this. Okay now? Next question. In a freezer, the temperature x degrees Celsius should be lower than negative 6 degrees Celsius. So we have a scene, a wheel inside the freezer so that we can adjust the temperature with that. So they said that temperature is x here. That x should be lower than negative 6 degrees Celsius. So this can be represented as x should be less than negative 6 degrees. So if n is less than 3 means what are n values here? N is equal to 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2. Yes?
Yeah.
If x is less than negative 6 degrees means what are x values here? Less than negative, x should be less than negative 6 degrees.
Yeah. So it will be -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0.
X should be x value should be less than negative 6 degrees.
Yeah.
Huh. So what it is mean? Negative
-5, -4, -3, -2.
-1. What are these values? These values are more than negative 6 or less than negative 6?
Less, no, high, no, more than.
So it is not x. So if x is less than negative 6 means maybe -7, -8, -9. These are so on. Okay?
Yeah.
Question number 3. Before Charleston School will run a course in motor mechanics, the number x of students agreeing to follow the course must be more than 10.
Yeah.
Okay. So x is the number of students agreeing to follow the course must be more than 10. More than 10 means what? X is greater than 10 here. So the x values might be like 11, 12, 13, so on.
Yeah.
It is more than 10, not included 10. Next. Question number 4. Read question number 4.
Question number 4. Before Town Link will accept a parcel, they check then its weight. Your WKG is more than 5 kg.
Huh. So accepted parcel, they check that its weight WKG. It should be more than 5 kg. What sign I need to put here for the W? More than 5 kg. More than.
Yeah.
So what sign I need to place here?
W more, so this, not that sign.
You just tell me, is it a greater or lesser?
Greater than.
Greater than 5. So many children will get confused with the less than symbol and greater than symbol, right? See, less than means L only, na? Less. So the symbol also looks like a same, like this, little bit like L. See here, Manu? Less than is just like L only, bent like this. And the other sign is like this, which is more. Okay, now you can remember in this way.
Yeah.
Next, fifth one. A notice on the big wheel at a theme park says that the height x meters of any passenger taking the ride must be more than 1 meter.
Yeah.
Okay. X is the ride, so that must be more than 1 meter. So more means again it's a greater than symbol 1 meter. X is greater than 1. Next, sixth question. For question 6 to 10, use a number line to illustrate the range of values of x for which each of the following inequalities is true. Assume that x can stand for any number, whole or otherwise.
Yeah.
Might be decimal number or whole number, anything. X can stand for anything. So first sixth question is x is greater than 7. X values are more than 7 here, right? Means
Yeah.
it is nothing but x is equal to 8, 9, 10, so on. So this we need to represent on a number line. Draw a number line. So like start from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now x values are more than 7. So circle this 7. More than means so 8, 9, 10. So they are right side values. So open right side.
Yeah.
And circle should not be filled because 7 is not included in the range. Okay?
Okay.
Seventh question. X is less than 4. Means the x values are like a 3, 2, 1, so on. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X value is on 4. So circle the 4 and it is less than 4. So open left side and do not fill it because 4 is not included. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Question 8. X is greater than negative 2. X values are greater than negative 2. So which are when you are doing negative, you should be careful. So the values which are greater than negative 2, tell me what are the values which are greater than negative 2?
Uh,
Negative.
negative 3, no. A negative 1,
Hmm?
0,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
so on. So the values which are greater than negative 2 is nothing but negative 1, 0, 1, 2, so on. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So near the negative 2 circle and greater than means right side open. Question number 9. X is greater than 0.
Yeah.
X is greater than 0 means X values are 1 more than 0, 2, 3, so on.
Okay.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open at 0 and this side greater than right side. Next, moving to the 10th question. X is less than negative 2. What are the X values, Manu? If X is less than negative 2 means?
Less than, so -3, -4, -5.
Yeah, good. So on. That is, draw a number line. 0 here, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3 and -4. Near -2 put a circle and less than means left side. Open the circle and keep. 11th question. X is greater than half, 1 by 2. X is greater than 1 by 2. So, what are the X values included here? X values included more than half. So, next is more than half is 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, so on. Yes?
Yeah.
So 0, half you can take it as a 0.5, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So near 0.5 put a circle. Since it is greater, so open right side. 12th question. X is less than 5. What are the X values here? Less than 5?
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1, so on. Many are there. Negatives also less only. One, two, three, 4, 5. So near 5, circle it. Since it is less, extend left hand side. Next, 13. X is less than 0. That means X includes less than 0 means -1, -2, -3, which these are all less than 0 only. Zero. Oh, sorry. Q 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So near the 0, place the circle, and since it is less, so left hand side extend. Last bit in this 14th question, X is less than 1.5. So the values might be less than 1.5 means it's 1, 0, okay, 1.5, 0, 0, and negative 0.5, -1, so on. These are all less than 1.5. Getting?
Yeah.
So you can write Q 1.5 0 1 second. X is less than 1.5. So to 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0, negative 0.5, negative 1. So since value is 1.5, mark on that, and it is less, open left hand side.
Okay.
Okay.